Hello everybody, welcome again to my channel. Hope all of you are watching my previous videos and finding them interesting too. So let's get started with today's video. Today's topic is about fear. So all of us have a lot of fears. Yeah? So each of us is scared of different things. In today's video, I will be talking about what kind of fears you can have and how to identify them and how you can overcome them. Okay, let's get started. So when I say fear, all of us, as I said, have different fears. So what you can do is first think of what all fears you have, what all you're scared of. List them one by one. And then once you have identified them, I will tell you how you can classify them, and then I will also give you ways in which you can overcome those fears. All right? So yes, the first one could be fear of danger. We know wild animals are dangerous. We know fire could harm us. We know sharp objects could harm us. So such things, when we are scared of, what do? When we get into a forest, there is a notice that says, do not get down, do not take selfies. All those precautions are given. When we go near fire, we know it is going to be hot when we touch it. When we handle sharp objects, we know it is going to harm us. So such things, when we know it is dangerous and we are scared of it, what can we do about it? Let us follow safety precautions. Simple. Follow the safety precautions. That's all. When the notice says, do not get down and take selfies, let us not do that. Similarly, sharp objects. So when you know your fear is out of danger, follow precautionary measures and handle them carefully. The next thing, fear due to ignorance. When I say ignorance, what does it mean? Example, people are scared of speaking on stage. People are scared of speaking to people. When they meet new people, people say, I'm scared to talk to new people. Okay? So such kind of fear comes out of ignorance. When you say, I cannot handle a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler, I'm scared to ride the vehicle. Yeah? All this comes out of fear of ignorance. Because it is not that, the people don't drive two-wheeler or four-wheeler at all. It is not that people don't speak on stage at all. So why are we scared of it? Why do we have fear of all this? It's because of our ignorance. Meaning, we don't know what will happen when we do that. So that is the reason why we are scared of such things. So when you think your fear is because of the ignorance, that is, when you do that, you don't know what will happen. So that is fear of ignorance. So what can you do about it? When you have identified that your fear is due to ignorance, start developing the knowledge about it. Okay? So when you are scared of speaking on stage, speak to people who have already spoken on stage, who have experience in that. Ask them how I can get over that. How do you speak on stage? When you get on stage, do you face any fear? How do I face the audience? How do I deliver my speech effectively? All right, when you get that knowledge, half of your ignorance goes off. And once you get that knowledge, start practicing it. Start putting it to practice. So once you put that to practice, slowly your ignorance also goes off and your fear also goes off as you keep practicing it. So you start building that confidence. So when you keep doing that again and again and again, keep developing the knowledge, keep practicing. Let it be a cycle that will make you overcome the fear of ignorance. You're no more ignorant about that because you know what to do. You know how to face it. When you're scared of riding a vehicle, learn driving. Learn how to drive, practice how to drive, practice to face the traffic. That's it. Your ignorance is gone, your fear is gone. Simple as that. And you're no more scared of that. You don't have any more fear about that. So fear of ignorance, if you have to overcome that, start developing the knowledge about it and keep practicing how to do it. And slowly, over a period of time, you overcome that fear. Fine. The third kind of fear. What could it be? It is fear due to guilt. When you know that you have done something wrong, you're scared. Okay, I did something wrong. What do I do about it? Okay? So there are two things that you can do. First, before doing something, think if what you are doing is right and do only the right things. Simple. Be very straightforward. But without your knowledge, if you have done something wrong and at a later stage you come to know that you have done something wrong and you feel guilty and you become scared of it, oh my God, I've done something wrong. There's nothing to worry about it. Just accept it. Whatever it is, whatever you've done, and if somebody is affected due to that, try and speak it out. That's it. Your fear of guilt is gone because you have opened up in saying that you've done something wrong, accepted it, which means you're not going to repeat it again. And then there your fear vanishes. So your fear of guilt, first, do the right thing. If in case you've done something wrong without your knowledge, accept it, apologize it, do not do it again. That's all. Simple. That's it. So, to sum up, if you have any fear, first identify those fears, list those fears, classify them into whether it is because of danger or if it is a fear of ignorance or if the fear is because of guilt. If it is because of danger, follow precautions. If it is because of ignorance, start developing the knowledge and practice it. Over a period of time, it will go off. And if the fear is because of guilt, simple, straight, do the right thing. In case if you've done something wrong without your knowledge, apologize, correct it, do not repeat it. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.